A step-by-step guide on enabling test mode for Shopify payments. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shopify and how you can enable test mode for your Shopify payments in the easiest and most simplest way. So to start things off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your settings. And now once you're in your settings, you're going to come straight to your payments option. Now, do know this, that this varies on country to country. Some countries will not allow you to add bogus gateways or test gateways, basically, okay? So if you truly want to get providers with proper gateways, you are going to want to make sure that your country has proper bogus gateways, okay? So to, run up testing, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this for testing bogus gateway. Once you do that, here it says about for testing bogus gateway. It is meant for testing. Shopify will not charge you transaction fees on orders paid with this gateway. You can use the following codes in the places of credit card numbers. So, to simulate an approved transaction, you can write 1. To simulate a declined transaction, you can add 2. Or to simulate a gateway failure, add 3. Any 3 numbers can be used as the card security code, and add any expiry date in the future will work. Okay, so once we've activated this, you're going to click on activate once again. And now, as you can see, the bogus gateway is fully accessible and activated for us. Now, once this gateway is all good to go and activated, what you can do from here is you can go to your store and you can go to your checkout. So let me show you what the checkout's going to look like and how you're going to access it for yourself. Now, once you've gone through with all of that, you're going to come to your online store, and we're going to go ahead and click on view your online store. So once you click on view your online store, it basically loads you into this section. So in this section, what it does is obviously we have our products over here, right? So here's my product. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And once I open it up, I'm going to go ahead and click on buy it now. So once you click on buy it now, it's going to take you through the checkout. Okay. You're going to make sure that the bogus gateway that you've added is fully accessifying your checkout. So make sure to go to payments. And once you're in your payment section, make sure you're managing, and you can add the support for testing the bogus gateway as well. And make sure that this is switched on, because if it generally is off, it will give you issues. But as you can see, what you're going to be doing is you're going to make sure that all the order reports are accessible, and all the main things that your payment or your basic shipping, you could say checkout page needs, you're going to make sure all those things are added appropriately. And once those things are added, you can use any of the codes 1, 2, 3 to test the gateway as you please. Now, this is obviously in regions that do not provide Shop Pay. Now, let me switch my billing address. Okay, I'm going to switch it to the United States. Now, once you do that, you're going to give a proper address, and we're going to click on save. Now, once I click on save, I'm going to go over to the payments system. And here, as you can see, again, any payment method that you have, like let's say you activate PayPal or you activate any other payment management method, you can still use the bogus gateway. Okay, so let me deactivate it real quick. Okay, and once you deactivate it, you can go ahead to see all the other providers. And there we have bogus gateway testing again. So do make sure that you need to switch it on. Once you switch it on, just click on reactivate and go ahead and start testing it as much as you want. So that is how you are going to be using the test gateway or the test mode for your Shopify payments in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.